Then I'm going to make a well in the center, and I'm going to tipping my wet ingredients in there. So the challah is a braided loaf or bread steeped in a lot of symbolism. Even the number of strands that you braid the challah in means something. More popularly, you see the 6 strands, which is what we're doing in class today. And when people make the 6 strands, typically they'd have 2 loaves. So 6 plus 6 will indicate the 12 tribes of Israel. All the ingredients we're using in class today have a meaning. So we have our flour, and it symbolizes sustenance. We've added salt in there, that symbolizes discipline. We have sugar in there, of course, the symbol for sweetness being added into our lives. Then we stir this together. We're going to add water in here. So the water symbolizes life. The yeast symbolizes growth or expansion in our lives. We're adding eggs in there, which symbolizes fertility. And last but not the least, we are adding our oil, which is the symbol of anointing. So all these have deep meanings and forms a sort of prayer for our lives. So we bring all of this together using the rounded edge of our scraper. We stir all of that together. So remember, your first stage is to weigh out all your ingredients. The second stage is the mixing stage. So this is where we are now. You mix your dry together, and then you bring your wet into your dry, and you mix both together. So again, using my scraper to bring everything together until I cannot see any dry bits in my bowl. So very lovely dough, this challah dough. I love working with this dough.